This is how to fix Supermarket Simulator crashing. For the first step, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click on any empty space, after that select Task Manager. Now make sure to keep the CPU and memory percentages below 100%. To do that, you can scroll through all of these processes and shut down any useless one. After that, go to the search and type in Steam. If you do find the Steam process running like this, make sure to right click on it and then select in task. For the next step, go to the search, type in Device Manager, open this, and then look for display adapters, double click on it, go to your graphics card, right click and select the first option, select the first option again, and then click close. For the next step, go to the Windows icon, after that go to settings, you'll be directed to the home, so go to the Windows update. For the next step, make sure to open the Steam application again, and then go to your library and select collections. In the left menu, you need to search for the supermarket game. The game must be installed, so once you select it, click on this gear icon and select properties. Now select installed files, after that click verify integrity of game files. It will start by verifying and recovering any corrupted or missing file, so wait for the process to finish and hopefully the crashing issue should be fixed. If you do find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.